Welcome to online class Maths Revision Unit 1 to 3. Okay, students, Maths Revision 1 to 3. Unit 1 to 3. First standard Maths Revision 1 to 3. Students, be careful. Listen the revision topics. Okay, students, how are you two all? Fine. Yes. Did you have breakfast? Very good, students. Unit 3 completed. The last class, Unit 3 completed. Now, I am going to cover revision topics. Revision topics. Unit 1 to Unit 3. Okay? Students, what is today? What is today, students? Yes, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Students, coming next week, exam. Okay, coming next week, exam. So, listen carefully. Revise the Unit 1 to Unit 3 lessons. Okay, let us go. Next slide. Students, see the slide. Take your workbooks. Take your workbooks. Unit 1, worksheet 32. Worksheet 32, recap session. Okay, recap session. Students, take it fast. All are take it. Take it your books and pencil or eraser. Listen carefully, students. Okay. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Already you know that. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Students, tell me, what is the first number? See in A part. Let us revise the recap session and so revision. Okay. See in A part, what is the first number? Students, what is the first number? Yes, 80, 1, 65. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. In A part, 80 and 1, 60 and 5. Okay, students, listen properly. Ascending order means ascending order means students, look at the board. Students, look at the board. The ascending order. The ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, students. Ascending order. Okay. First, what is the first number? Yes, 1. Next one? Yes, 5. Very good. And next one? 16. Very good. 16 and 18. And 18. The ascending order. The ascending order. Do you understood? Ascending order. The smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number. 1, 5, 16 and 18. The smallest and smallest number. It's clear? So ascending order. Students, arrange the descending order. Arrange the descending order. Students, arrange the descending order. Descending descending order. Yes. 18. Very good. 18 and 16 and 5 and 1. Sir, descending order. இறங்கு வரிசை. இறங்கு வரிசை. Descending order. Sir, இறங்கு வரிசை. It's clear? It's clear, students? Students, now look at the slide. A part finished. Did you understood? Okay, students. Let us go B part. Let us go B part. What is the first number? 17, 12, 13, 9. 17, 12, 3 and 9. What is the first number? Yes, 3. Very good. 3 and 9 and 12 and 17. So, ஏறு வரிசை. Write it. 3, 9, 12, 17. Very good. Students, you tell the descending order. You are telling the descending order. Yes. 17, 12, 9, last 3. Very good. 3. So, descending order. Descending order. It's clear? Students, work out. See problem. 1, 11, 6 and 19. 1, 11, 6 and 19. What is the first number? Smaller number to bigger number. Which one is smaller number? 1. Very good. Which one is smaller number? 1. Next 6. Next 6. Next number 11. 11. Next 19. Next 19. Next, arrange the descending order. Arrange the descending order. Arrange the descending order. 19, 11, 6 and 1. Okay? Finished? Finished, students? Look at properly. Okay, students? 2. Number 2, compare numbers by counting. Use the signs. Okay, greater than, less than and equal. Greater than, less than and equal. Students, see in A part. Students, see in A part. Compare the numbers by counting. Use signs. Less than, greater than, less than and equal. And equal. First, what is the first number? 13 dash 9. 13 dash 9. 13 dash 9. And next one, B 17 dash 6. And C 1 dash 9. And D 8 dash 8. Students, look at the board now. Compare numbers by counting. Use the signs. Okay, greater than or less than and equal. Okay, which one is bigger number? Which one is bigger number, students? Yes, 13 is a bigger number. 13 is a bigger number. 13 is a bigger number. Very good. Draw the greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. Okay, students, let's go B part. Which one is bigger number? Yes, 17 is a bigger number. 17 is a bigger number. Greater than simple. Greater than simple. Next one. Next one. 1 or 10? Yes. 10 is a bigger number. 10 is a bigger number. 10 is a bigger number. Very good. See in D part. Students, see in D part. It's an interesting number. What is the first number? 8. Second number is 8. Two number same. So put that equal simple. Equal to simple. Equal to simple. Equal to simple. It's clear, students? It's clear? Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Compare numbers in each box. Circle the bigger number. Compare numbers in each box. Circle the bigger number. Numbers draw to represent numbers. Okay. What is first number? 6 dash 14. 6 dash 14. 6 dash 14. First draw the bigger number. Okay. First draw the bigger number and cut the smaller number. Cut the smaller number. Cut the smaller number. So draw the bigger number 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14. Cut the smaller number. Cut the smaller number. So cut the smaller pictures. Okay. Remaining. Which one is bigger number? Which one is bigger number? Yes, 14 is a bigger number. 14 is a bigger number. 14 is a bigger number. Cut the 6 and circle the 14. Circle the 14. Okay, students. Now let's go to the next part. What is next part? Pick the group which has more number of objects and draw a circle for the group which less objects. Which less objects. கம்மியானதை tick பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Okay? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So next count the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick the less. Tick the less pictures. Which one has less pictures? Yes, first one is less pictures. So tick the first box. Tick the first box. It's clear? Okay, students. Did you understood the first slide? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide, students. Worksheet 33. Worksheet 33. Draw as many blocks as the number and then write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Students, look at in A part. Look at in A part 16. What is this number? 16. What is this number? 16. Which one is ones place number? Students, which one is ones place number? Yes? 6. Very good. 1, 6, 16. Which one is ones place number? Yes, 6 is the ones place. What is that? Tens place. Tens place number. Okay? Dash tens and dash ones. Dash tens and dash ones. Which one is ones place? Yes, 6 is the ones place. 10 is the 1. 1 is the tens place. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 blocks is the 110. 10 blocks ones place. 6 is the ones place. Students, look at the board now. 16. 6 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. Let us draw the blacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the ones place. 1, 10. 1, 10. 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones. It's clear? So, 6 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. 1 is the tens place. 1 is the tens place. Okay. Let us go B part. Let us go B part. 18. Let us now look at the slide. B part 18. B part 18. 18 dash tens and dash ones place. Dash tens and dash ones place. Which one is ones place? Which one is ones place? Yes, 8 is the ones place. 8 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. Okay? 8 is the ones place. 1 is the tens place. It's clear? It's clear, students? Now, next one. Find the place value of the underlined digit. Find the place value of the underlined digit. Find the place value of the underlined digit. First number 12. First number 12. Place value of the underlined digit 2. Underlined digit 2. Underlined digit. Students, look at the slide now. Look at the slide now. 12. Yes. Next one. 12 or 10. 12 or 10. 12 or 10. 12 or 10. Again read the question. Find the place value of the underlined digit. Underlined digit. 12. 12. Underlined digit. Which one is place value of the underlined digit? Yes, ones. Ones place. Ones place. Ones place. Ones place. Next 10. Next 10. Place value of the underlined digit. Ones. 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 Okay. It's clear? Students, next one. Number 3. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. First 1. Next one. What is the next number? 2. Very good. What is the next number? 2 and 3. Already give it. And 4. Next number? Yes, 5. Next 6. Next one? 7. 8. 9 already give it. Next what missing number? What missing number? 10. Very good. 10. Next one is 11. Very good. 11. 12. What is the next number? 13. Very good. 14. Yes. 15. 16. 17. Yes. 18. Already give it 18. Next what missing numbers? 19 and 20. 19 and 20. Number 4. Compare the numbers by counting use the same. Already work out that. Okay. Next, arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Already first see the ascending and ascending the numbers in arrange the numbers in ascending and descending already. Okay. Is clear this slide? Okay students, now let's go to the next slide. Students, open your Worksheet addition. Unit 3. Unit 3. Unit 3. Worksheet 26. Worksheet 26. Worksheet 26. Unit 2. Worksheet 23. Recap session. So revise the topics. Revise the topics. First one. Number 1. Add the number of petals. Add the numbers of petals and write the sum in the center. Write the sum in the center. Again read the question. Students listen properly. Add the number of petals. Add the number of petals and write the sum in the center. Write the sum in the center. Students, now look at the board. Read the question. Students, again question, read the question, add the number of petals and write the sum in the center. Already know the topics. Okay. What is the first number? Yes, 0 and 1. Next number 7. What last number? 2. Very good. 2. Okay, students. Now 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 0 plus 1. Students, let us count 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to, what is the answer? Gives us 1. Gives us 1. The answer is 1. The answer is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to, gives us 1. The answer is 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to, what is the answer? 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. Count the 1 plus 7. Students, 1, 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, 8. Very good. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. The answer is 8. Okay. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 8 plus 2. Yes, 10. Very good. 8 plus 2. 10. The answer 8 plus 2 gives us 10. The answer is 10. So, write the center place. Write the center place. What is the answer? Center. What is the answer? 10. What is the answer? 10. Write the center place. It's clear? It's clear, students? Okay. Now, look at next slide. 3 plus 0. 3 plus gives us, 3 plus 0 gives us 3. Okay. 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, bigger number is first, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, gives us 9, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 9, keep in mind number 9, show me the fingers, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 13 and 14. Clear? Gives us answer 14. Gives the answer 14. Okay. Next, 3 plus 3 is equal to, what is the answer? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Give the answer and add the second number. And add the second number. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9. the answer 9. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11 and 12. Give the answer 12. Give the answer 12. Okay students, it's clear? It's clear students? Okay, number 2. Solve the following questions. Solve the following question. Already know that. Solve the following questions. Shriya has 9 red games. Okay. She got 6 more. How many total red games does she have? First, write the number 9. First, write the number 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 gives us, what is the answer? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The answer is 15. Total red gems are 15. Okay students. Now see number 3. How many more to make 10? How many more to make 10? First green color dot count it. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots already put there. Next, how many empty boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 7. So draw the blue color circle. Draw the blue color circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to, what is the answer? 10. And 10. It's clear? Okay students. Number 4. Add. Number 4. Add. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. What is the answer? 9. Keep in mind number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Says answer 15. Okay. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Bigger number is first. Keep in mind. Show me your fingers. Number 3. Okay. 3 plus 5. What is the answer? Yes. 8. 8. Okay. Next C part. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. 12. 4 plus 8 gives us 12. Bigger number is first and show me the smaller number. Smaller number, show me the fingers. Okay. Next D part. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. What is the answer? 11. Very good. What is the answer? 11. Okay students. Next number 5. Find double of. Find double of. The first one number கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா அதே நம்பரை சேம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணணும். It's a double of number. Okay. 9. Very good. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Next one, B part. 5. You tell this problem? Yes. 5 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, 10. Very good. 5 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? 10. Super. Very good answer. Next C part. 8 plus 8 is equal to, students tell me. 16. Very good. 16. 16. Okay. Next one. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. What is the answer? 12. Okay. It's clear? Look at properly. It's a revision and recap and revision sessions. Okay. Students. Next. Subtraction. Unit 3. Subtraction. Recap. Students. What is the first question? What is the first question, students? I have 8 caps. Okay, I have 8 caps. I have 2 caps to my friend and 3 caps to my sister. How many caps are left with me? Left with me. Okay, students. Now I write 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 6. Okay, look at the slide students properly. Next gives us step 1 answer 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Gives us 3. The answer is 3. The number of caps left with me are 3 caps. Okay, 3 caps. Next, subtract using fingers. Subtract using fingers. Subtract using fingers. Fingers use பண்ணி the problem நம்ம பண்ணலாம். Okay, 6 minus 3. Students tell. Okay, show me the 6 fingers. Unfold 3 fingers. Count the remaining fingers. 3. Very good. 3 fingers. Next one B part. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. What is the answer? Yes, 5. Very good. Next one, 3. Subtract using pictures. Subtract using pictures. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. First draw the 8 pictures. Okay, first draw the 8 pictures, triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles. So cut the one smaller number. Okay, 1. So cut the smaller number. So cut the one triangle. Remaining 7. We get the answer 7. We get the answer 7. Next one B part. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So draw the 9 triangles and cut the smaller number. Now cut the 5 triangles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. Count the remaining triangles, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the answer is 4. We get the answer is 4. Next one, Narmata has 6 bottles. Okay. See, last 5 bottles. How many bottles are left with her? Students, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. What is the answer? Yes, 1 bottle. 1 bottle. Then 1 bottle are left with her. Okay, already? Sir, see the classes. Now revise these topics. Okay. Next one, see the B part. Group 1 has 9 students. Group 2 has 5 students. How many students are there in all in the both groups? Okay. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. What is the answer? 4. Very good. There are 4 students in all both groups. You understood, students? Did you understood? Okay, students. Today revise the topics. Okay, revise the topics and recap session. You work out the worksheet. Okay, work out the worksheets. Students, listen carefully. Revise the topics. Unit 1 to Unit 3. Okay, again and again revise this worksheet. Worksheet problems. Okay, coming next week exam. Okay, students. So again and again revise the topic in your home. Okay, students. All the best. Work out the worksheets regularly. Okay, students. Thank you to all. All the best. Okay.